This is the 28th video for my eShop web application project. Here we are going to program the product adding and viewing process for the cart page. First, I have given an on-click event to the Add to Cart button in the product cards in my home page. Here I have given the on-click event Add to Cart and inside brackets I have given the product ID. In the JS side I have made the function Add to Cart and I have made the HTTP request and stored it as var r. Through R, I sent this ID using the get method to the add to cart process.php file by the name ID. This is the add to cart process.php file. Here inside a PHP script, I have given session start and require connection.php. Then I have given an if condition to check whether if a user is in session, otherwise an echo will come from the server side saying please log in first. Then another if condition to check whether the ID was sent to the server side. If the ID haven't been sent, then an echo will come saying something went wrong. Inside this if condition, I have taken the email of the user in session and the value that was sent from the client side and stored it as $email and $PID. Then a search query to the cart table where product ID is $PID and user email is $email, and another search query to the product table where ID is $PID. If there is no row in the cart table with that particular product ID and user email, I've given an insert query to the cart table where product ID and user email is $PID and $email and quantity is 1. If there is already a row in the cart table with that particular product ID and user email, then I have made this new variable $new quantity where I have added 1 to the quantity of that row. If $new quantity is lesser than the quantity in the product table for that particular product ID, then an update query is sent to the cart table to set quantity as $new quantity for that product ID and user email. Then an echo will come from the server side as product updated. Otherwise, an echo will come from the server side as invalid quantity. In the cart page inside PHP scripts, I have given require connection.php and an if condition to check whether if a user is in session. I've taken the email of the user in session and stored it as $email. Then inside PHP scripts again I have given a search query to the cart table where the user email is $email. If there is no row in the cart table for that user email, then this empty view will be displayed. Otherwise, the product cards will be displayed. Inside this for loop, I have given a search query to the product table where the ID is the product ID of the product in the cart table. I've stored it as $productRs and I've taken the values of $productRs and stored it as $productData. I've also given a search query to the user table where the email is the user email of $productData. Through this, I have taken the first name and the last name of the seller. I've also given another search query to the color table where the ID is the color ID of $productData. Another search query to the condition table where the ID is equal to the condition ID of $productData. Then I have given the echoes of the seller's name, the product title, the product color, product condition, price, and quantity. Here, I have given another search query inside PHP scripts to the images table where the product ID is the ID of $productData. Through that, I have given the path to the image of the product.